check the SM series number, SN number. Okay, we take.
导航点已刷新，请注意导航点位置。起飞。
The customer said the gimbal have problem. We are testing the gimbal. Seeing if the gimbal is normal. Okay, we fly further. Let's see if the gimbal is normal. You can see it from here. We screenshot the video.
GPS 数量少会影响悬停效果和导航精度，请注意飞
You
行。
see, the gimbal is very smooth. We fly sliding the building. You see, this is a professional gimbal, very smooth. We put the lens calm and down while we are still sliding the building. You see, very smooth. Okay, we fly further. Very slow, very smooth. Just now I show you the series number. That's one to prove this is the jump you send back. The jump you send back. So smooth gimbal. No problem at all. Okay, we go to the other side.